All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today we're going to be talking about Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. Both of these coins have good things going on. Dogecoin, Tesla says you can actually now pay for the merchandise using Dogecoin. That's fantastic. Shiba Inu, almost listed on the Robinhood right here. Got good big things going on with Robinhood. So we're going to kind of cover Shiba, kind of cover Dogecoin. It's going to be a great episode. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yeah, one day even own some cryptocurrency. Being Sunday all day today, guess what? The playoff footballs have been going on, and we've been hearing about FTX, and we've been hearing about Crypto.com advertising. We know when we get to February for the Super Bowl, people are going to be trying to pay attention. What's the best commercial? And you heard it from Frank's Crypto Corner first. It's probably going to be a crypto commercial. It's going to be the best Super Bowl commercial. All right, let's head over to Dogecoin and Shiba. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, Dogecoin is at number 11. Shiba is at number 14. Now, Dogecoin has bounced up 16% in the last 7 days. Shiba has bounced up about 6% in the last 7 days. We got a 6% down for Dogecoin in the last 24 hours, so we do have a 10% increase. Click into Dogecoin. All right, over here, this coin's at 17 cents, 17.7. Literally, in the last few days, we've been hearing about Dogecoin being able to be accepted with Tesla. You see right here, Tesla starts only accepting Dogecoin cryptocurrency for some of its merch. So this is going to be pretty big. We're going to come right back to this. That's why this coin has jumped up in the last few days. Take a look in the last 7 days right here. The token was down at 14 cents, and now it bounced all the way up as almost 20 cents, 19.9 cents, and then it's kind of stabilized at 17 cents. All based because Tesla starts only accepting Dogecoin cryptocurrency for some of its merch. So what does this mean right here? Let's take a look here. It says Tesla has officially started accepting Dogecoin to buy some of its merch on its online store, but the automaker went a step further to appear to be only accepting Dogecoin for some items. Keyword, only accepting. Over the last year, Tesla has been developing deep into the cryptocurrency world. You know, they invested $1.5 billion into Bitcoin earlier. Shortly after, they started accepting the Bitcoin, and then they said they wanted to stop accepting the Bitcoin because of the energy. Now, Tesla right here started accepting Dogecoin payments for vehicles. What? Later, he's talking about that. That's crazy. However, a few days later, Tesla took a step back in the crypto, removed the Bitcoin payment, and the company noted the concerns over the energy needed for the Bitcoin network. It says right here, meanwhile, the CEO said basically Tesla will start accepting Dogecoin for some of its merchandise through the Tesla's store website. Today, Tesla made the move to accept Dogecoin, and even went a little further. It looks like the automaker is only accepting Dogecoin as payment option on some items. That's pretty big, everybody. Tesla is only listing those items in Dogecoin, and the only payment option that appears when clicking on them. Also says the automaker says the Dogecoin purchase on the website will be final and no returns will be accepted. But freaking fantastic news for the Dogecoin army. Awesome news for Tesla, now accepting the Dogecoin. All right, back over here at CoinMarketCap with the Dogecoin up 16%. Go down a little bit, Shiba Inu, number 14 right here, clicking it. So Shiba, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, and it's 304. It's down about 3%, bounce. But in the last 7 days here, take a look, it bounced up real nice here. It was down here, and it kind of did. You need a serious car to go up this hill, man. Look at that. So Shiba's up right now, which is fantastic. Over here on the Shiba's Twitter account, the only official Twitter account for Shiba ecosystem. Couple things here real quick going on in Shiba. So welcome to the Shiba Social Club, exclusively for the Shiba Skis owners. All right, pretty cool there, everybody. So here's the thing that I like about this. At this time, we asked the Shiba Army to act calm and professionally Our team has already submitted inquiries for 3 enormous contracts. Get ready in regards to Shiba at CoinMarketCap. We are waiting the response and want nothing more than to come into the conclusion of the community. So we got 3 big contracts submitted. Fantastic. Also right here says Shiba continues to become more available globally. We're just getting started in 2022. By the way, we really like the artwork on this post. Woof! So take a look here, everybody. So the interesting thing is, will Shiba Inu get listed on Robinhood? It says Shiba Inu fetches 30% gain on Robinhood listing. Rumors, the bullish. Shiba went up 30% just hearing that they may go on Robinhood. So Shiba's trying to go on Robinhood. The price of Shiba has been trending lower inside the area defined by the 2 contouring trend lines. A decline in trading volume that shows investors have been less concerned about the downward trend. It talks about Shiba would continue to trend higher. The big thing here is, will Shiba get listed on Robinhood? It says right here, the potential Robinhood listing backs the current rally. Shiba bullish setup emerges primarily after the rebounding by nearly 30% in 3 days. At the course of Shiba's sharp retracement with a few fundamentals, this is speculation that the token is going to get listed on Robinhood. Robinhood's a zero commission trading app with over 14 million in average daily volume. He says, Shiba Inu Robinhood listing said to come early in February. So February is upon us, everybody. Shiba also rallied higher to bounce back. It is worth mentioning that just over the last 5 weeks, the average holding duration for Shiba coins on CoinGecko has climbed from 6 to 32 days. He continues and added that people have been hoarding the Shiba because the Shiba Inu willingness to become more than just a Dogecoin like mine token. So yeah, everybody, the rumor about Robinhood listing Shiba Inu, this is going to be big. When it does happen, Robinhood has about 7 cryptocurrencies that they trade. They've been hinting that they're going to be adding things on. We think the Shiba Inu is going to get there. But look at Dogecoin got its bump right this second with basically Tesla announcing that you can accept Dogecoin. As soon as Robinhood lists the Shiba Inu in the future, possibly in February, Shiba Inu is going to basically go this way too. All kinds of good stuff on Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Again, our goal is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency. Dogecoin and Shiba, these are 2 fantastic cryptocurrencies. In the bottom, do you have some crypto of these 2? Now going over to the Shiba Inu website, decentralized meme token that involves in the vibrant ecosystem, SHIB, Leash, and Bone, Shiba Swap, how to buy it, our projects and ecosystem, SHIB, Leash, and Bone. Those are the 3. Buy the SHIB, buy the Leash, and buy the Bone. How to buy SHIB and Leash, best purchased and sold on Shiba Swap. You can go right to the Shiba Swap to buy it. All right, over here at the Dogecoin's website for a second. 1 Dogecoin equals 1 Dogecoin. A Dogecoin is an open source peer-to-peer digital currency favored by Shiba Inus worldwide. Choose your wallet. What is Dogecoin?
Dogecoin is a revolutionary digital currency. It can easily be sent through the internet from person to person with total security. With instant transactions, you can send coins from Melbourne to Mumbai, from Madrid to Minneapolis in seconds. It's simple and safe to use, and is already accepted at online retailers where you can buy gifts, groceries, services, and so much more. What makes Dogecoin truly unique from other currencies is how its ease of use makes it the perfect way to instantly send cash gifts to people all around the world. You can send 10 cents to your favorite comment on Twitter, or $10 to your favorite band to purchase their latest album. You can even send $100 to a charity that you support. There's no middleman to take a cut, and the transactions are completely anonymous. If you are a creator, you'll find your fans can financially empower you. For the first time, you can directly receive cash from them, rather than a valueless like or retweet. You now have the opportunity to spend more time creating content and less time counting cents. Be part of something big, something groundbreaking. Within the first few months of creation, the Dogecoin community has already achieved great things, from funding Olympic athletes to providing clean drinking water to those in need. The community is welcoming and amazingly generous. You'll fit right in. So, how do I join in? To start, visit Dogecoin.com and download your own digital wallet. Then, join the community on Reddit, where thousands of helpful people will happily answer any of your questions, and where you'll also receive some free coins. Dogecoin, the internet currency. We'll see you on the moon.
All right, right there on its own website. What is Dogecoin? Just wanted to play that for you guys, everything. Going back over here to CoinMarketCap, Shiba Inu, and Dogecoin. What's our price prediction? I just think that both of these tokens are going to continually go up in 2022. Again, Tesla offering Dogecoin to be able to be payment. And then Robinhood in the future here with Shiba. Both of these tokens are going to keep going up. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only. But we love both these tokens in top 14, top 11. All right, in the bottom, which one's your favorite? Do you like them both? Do you favor Dogecoin? Do you favor Shiba? Don't forget about Floki Inu and Dogecoin Mars. Those are some good ones too. So, all right, click right here to see our most recent video. Everybody have a fantastic night tonight on Sunday night.